Going to discuss the mirror entities in the sketching module. For this purpose, select the sketching plane and make the reference line so that we can easily mirror the entities about these center lines. Now I'm going to draw a circle of a whatever diameter, and after that the mirror entities, we have to select the object we want to mirror. Select this circle and the reference point or a reference axis about which the mirror will be drawn. Click on the mirror about and select the center line around which you want to mirror the selected object. You can see that the same circle is drawn up to the same distance from this center line on the right side of the plane, and we can okay it, and again we can mirror these two circles around the vertical line, and the circle will be drawn downward. Mirror entities to mirror. For this purpose we have to select the two arcs, means two circles, and the mirror about, we have to select this center line so that the circle will be mirror about this center line up to the same distance, whatever distance the original circle is, the next drawn circle will be around the same distance. Here it goes.